2 replacement keycards and wallet shipped fast from Florida. Genuine Tesla keycards, brand new, not ever programmed. Your Model 3, Model Y comes with 2 keycards and 1 bifold wallet for easy entry, operation and transport. Keycards are convenient for when your phone is not accessible, out of battery, or if someone else needs temporary access, such as a valet. To lock or unlock, tap your keycard on the center of the pillar to the right of the driver's window. To start your Model 3, Model Y, tap your keycard behind the cup holders and place your foot on the brake pedal to start. Note: access cannot be granted from the passenger side of the vehicle. Programming is easy. Tap the car icon, greater than general. If you do not have an existing keycard, you will need to visit a service center to reprogram. It costs approximately $45 to program your keycards. Otherwise, if you have an existing keycard, no additional fees. Top reviews from the United States. Elegant and easy. It came really fast, in like 2 days, and packaging was great. Also, it is the same one used by Tesla cuz it looks the same as the original one I had from Tesla. Easy and fast to set up. Customer image.